Nicole, do you ever drive in heels?
Yes.
Let me ask you a question because you're going to get another benefit that this especially works well for the ladies. It's called fabric repair. Now it's going to cover the fabric on your seats should you get a rip or a tear. It's going to fix that. But the most frequent claim we find is, well, do you drive in heels?
I do. I drive a lot.
Okay. Well, have you ever had the occasion to discover that those heels wore a hole in your carpet?
Yes, I put a decent size hole in my last car.
And I'm going to guess you didn't pay to get it fixed.
No, I just dealt with it.
Okay. Well, that would have been $100 to $200 to fix. But I'm going to guarantee you that whoever bought your car, or if you traded in, they noticed that, and they probably gave you less for your vehicle than they would have had the carpet been perfect. All right? Fabric repair will cover that type of repair for you. Okay? You've got it complimentary for the next 6 months, and again, if you're planning on keeping your vehicle longer than 6 months, Nicole, make sure you check with our business manager or finance department. They will tell you how to extend that coverage out to 2, 3, 4, even 5 years, okay?
Okay.